Now in this video today, I'm going to show you the fastest and the easiest way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing for free without investing anything. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you can use it to make money even if you're a complete beginner without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. In this case, I'm using Teespring. Teespring is available worldwide. So what you have to do is that you have to search for it so that you can create an account. Once you create an account and log in, you have to click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, there are many available offers that you can promote to earn a commission from home. As you can see, these are all products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to make a commission anytime you get a sale. The best part is that most of these offers have a higher payout. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $100 commission per every sale that you get. You can see $100, 41 cents. There are many of them, so all that you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want. You can select the products based on categories. You can select them based on popularity or earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, cart conversion rate, cancellation rate. Any of the factors that you want, you can use it to filter the offers so that you can promote the offer that you want. So if you want the newly added products to promote, you can click on publication date. Once you click on the publication date, all the products are going to be displayed. So once the products are displayed, you can choose either to promote the old ones or the new products. Any kind of products that you want, you can promote it. Apart from that, the cart conversion rate, you can also filter to get products that have higher cart conversion rate and those that have low cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you make a sale promoting the offer. You can also see cancellation rate. If your product have a high cancellation rate, it means many people don't like it. So if you promote it, you are not going to be making sales. But if your product have a low cancellation rate, it means many people like the product. If you promote it, you can get the right people to purchase it. Apart from that, you can just come right here. You can see product categories. Once you come right here, any of the product category that you want, you can click on it and then find an available offer that you can promote. For example, if you want digital products, you can click right here, digital products. Once you click on digital products, you can see under digital products, they have subcategories of products that you can promote. They have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, fashion, fiction, food and drinks. Any of these categories that you want, you can click on it to find an offer that you can promote to make money from home. In my case, I've been promoting a product under home and garden, so I'm going to click on the home and garden. Once you click on the home and garden, you're going to see a page like this. You can see all these products are under the home and garden, so you can select any of them that you want and then promote it. In this case, I have a specific product, so let me scroll down to show you. You can see this is one of the products that I've been promoting. You can see the commission rate is $157. 23 cents per every sale that you get. So if you want, you can promote an offer like this. Let me click on it so that I can show you more details of the offer. Once you click on it, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see the price. Apart from that, you can also see affiliate support page. The affiliate support page is the page where you can get resources to promote the product. Some product owners have resources like images, articles, videos, email swipes that you can use to promote the product. So if you want, you can just click on it. Apart from that, you can also click on the sales page. The sales page is the landing page of the product. That is the first page that your potential customers are going to see before they go ahead to make a purchase for you to earn a commission. You can see this is the landing page and it contains a lot of information. As a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different information. You can see the product has a good landing page. You can see a very tall landing page which contains more details about the product. So your potential customers can read more about the product on the landing page before they decide to make a purchase. You can see a whole lot of different information. Now once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. You can click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link. You have to get people to click on your affiliate link and then make a package so that you can be earning $157.23 per every sale that you get. You can use paid traffic source or you can use free traffic source. In this case, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use and then get people to purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. The website that we're going to be using today to drive traffic is eknaza.com. You can see it right here, eknaza.com. This is the website. I don't know how to pronounce it well. On this website, you can post events, you can post videos, you can post articles, you can post recipes, anything that you have, you can post it onto this website. You can post your ads for free on this website. So all that you need to do is that you have to create an account so that you can begin to use this website to promote your affiliate link. The best part is that this website is available in the tier 1 countries. So you are going to get people who have the purchasing power to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to make money. You can see the available cities in the United States. You can see these are the cities. If you click on more cities, you can see many other cities in the United States. And you can see if you want UK cities, you can get them. If you want Canada cities, you can get them. You can see Asia. If you want Costa Rica, any of these places that you want, you can target it and then get people to click on your affiliate link so that they can make the purchase for you to make money. To create an account, click right here, my account. Once you click on it, you can be able to sign up for an account for free without paying for anything. You can see you can sign up for an account using your Google accounts, or you can enter your email address, enter a password so that you can get access to an account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, classifies. Once you click on classifies, you're going to see a page like this. Click on post ad. Once you click on post ad, you're going to see a page like this. You can see you have to select the country that you are targeting. When you click right here, you can select any country that you want. You can select the United States, you can select the United Kingdom, Singapore, Malaysia, Ireland, Costa Rica, Canada. Any of these countries that you want, you can select. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to select a city. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can see all the cities in the United States that you can select. You can see any of the cities that you want, you can target it. In this case, I'm going to target Boston. But if you want to target all cities, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you have to pay $18. You have to pay $18 so that you can target all cities in the United States. If you select one city, you are not required to pay for anything. You can see my case, it is 00. You are not required to pay for anything. Once that is done, you have to select the category. So click right here, select category. Once you click on it, you can see the different categories. In our case, we are promoting a product under the home and garden, and it is for sale. So click right here for selling others. Select that. Once you select it, click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to enter your ad details. You have to enter the title and the description. So come back on the student info. Once you come back on the student info, highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the title, the next step is that you have to come back. Once you come back, scroll down. Once you scroll down, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the description of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back and then paste the description right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see related URL. This is where you have to paste your affiliate link. So come back on the student info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied. Come back on your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can select the duration of your ad. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can select 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. In this case, we are going to leave it 15 days. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So search for the name of the product on Google. Once you search for it, you can download any of these images that you are seeing. Just download as many as you want. For example, if you want to download an image, all that you need to do is that you have to right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on select save images, click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the images, click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open, click on choose file again, select another image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see premium options. If you want to promote your ad, you can select any of these options. You can see make bold, make front page, make hyperlink, make highlighted, make featured. Any of these options that you want, you can select it and then make the corresponding payment. Once that is done, you can see contact telephone. If you want, you can enter your phone number right here. You can see, but they are giving you a warning right here. You can see you have to be aware of scammers. If you put your number right here, scammers may contact you. You can see, to avoid being scammed, I will just leave it. I will not enter my number, just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see display contact. Assuming you enter your phone number right here, you can decide to hide it. You can decide to allow them to text you only, call you. Any of these options that you want, you can select it. In this case, you have not entered any telephone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see display share link for my classifieds. You want our affiliate link to be displayed, so select yes. Once that is done, you can see the cities, you can see the state. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. You can see zip code. What you have to do is that you have to enter a zip code right here. So come on Google. Once you come on Google, type zip codes in Boston. Type zip codes in Boston. Once you type it, you can search for it so that you can get a zip code. Once you type it, you can see these are zip codes. Highlight and copy any of them that you want. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste the zip code right here. Once you paste the zip code, you have to click right here. I agree to the terms of use. Click on it. Once you click on it, select continue. Once you click on continue, you can see preview your ad. So you have to see the preview of your ad. You can see your preview right here. Scroll down, you can see your preview. You can see everything. You can see this is your affiliate link. You can see your affiliate link is right here. When you scroll down, you can see the images of your offer, the images that you uploaded. You can see them. These are your images. If all the details that you have entered is correct, you can click on post classified. If you want to edit anything, you can click on modify classifies. But in this case, everything is right. But in this case, all the details are intact. So just click on post classified. Once you click on post classified, you can see your classified has been posted successfully. So your ad is live on the platform. You are going to get people who live in the United States to view your ad and then click on it so that they can make a purchase for you to earn money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.